What's good, YouTube, man? We are back with a video. In today's video, as you guys are reading this title, we are going to be explaining how can you make $100 a day. Now, before we get into this video, guys, I am going to be reading from my iPad, so if you see me looking away, that's why. Now, the first thing to do if you want to make $100 is it's possible to follow the right strategies and stay disciplined, whether you're trading stocks, options, or futures. I'm going to break down how to hit that goal consistently and things of that nature. So you want to start with analysis. You want to start with seeing the candlesticks. You want to start with seeing the market analysis, and you also want to start with seeing the chart indicators. If you want to get more in touch with that, link down below into the description box, and that will get you free started to my free trial and so on and so on. In this first step, you want to focus on strategies like scalping, day trading, or swing trading. You want to set clear entry and exit strategies using indicators or using a moving average. Now, like I said, if you don't know what any of that is, I do have all of that down below in the description box to get you started. Tap the link, and step 2 is trade with proper risk management. So you want to have a stop loss, meaning potential max what you're willing to lose on that trade. You also want to have your risk to reward ratio. So what is you willing to risk and make? You also want to have your position sizing. So you don't want to be oversizing into a position, things of that nature. And next, risk management is key. So never miss more than 2% on your account. Never risk more than 1%. Never risk more than 1 or 2% on your account or on a single trade. Set stop losses. Protect your capital. Always aim for a 2-to-1 or a 3-to-1. That means I'm willing to make 200, but I'm willing to lose $100. So that's a 2-to-1 risk to reward. And also, risk to reward keep you in the long-term profitability. So if you're making, let's say, you're losing $100 a day, but you make $200, long-term you'll be profitable. So that's all what risk to reward is. Find a great risk to reward for you and things of that nature. And yeah, that's step 2. And step 3 will be, guys, look for high profitability setups. So high profitability setups can be spotted in the market trends on the chart patterns, or where you see volume breakouts or anything of that nature. But we're going to go ahead and get a deep dive into that. Like I said, I'm looking to the left because I'm looking at my iPad. Look for high probability setups. Stick to proven like breakouts, pullbacks, or support and resistance zones. Trading only quality setups increases your chances of consistent wins that add up to $100 a day. So if you want to know what's a good profitability setup, I have good 3-4 profitability setups in my Discord or in my server you want to check out down below. Hit that link down below and join my Discord. And that's step 3. We're gonna get to step 4. And step 4 to making $100 a day would be learning one market first. So don't be hopping to different markets when you first get into the market. Learn one stock, one company, their balance sheet, things of that nature. Look at the chart over time, and then move along when you look at other charts. When I first got into trading, I would look at so many charts, so much information, and retaining it, and just confusing me over time. But I would say focus on one chart when you first start trading, and that will help you in the long run. Also, don't try to trade everything at once. Like I said, master one market, whether it's stocks, options, or futures. Understanding one market allows you to refine your strategy and maximize profits. And that will be it for step 4, guys. And last but not least, step 5 to growing your account or making $100 a day would be this. All right, so guys, once you do step 1, step 2, and step 3, and step 4, once you get to step 5, guys, you want to scale up now. Now, don't scale big, just continue scaling consistently. And also, once you make $100 a day consistently, scale up increases your position size or explore more opportunities while sticking to the same proven strategy. Also, consistency leads to compounding your profits over time. And yeah, guys, that would be it for step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and step 5. So there you have it. 5 steps to make $100 a day from trading. Stay disciplined, stick to your strategy, and watch your profits grow. Ready to start action? Start trading smart and make that daily income. Like, subscribe, and comment if you're ready to make money trading.